In this short tutorial, I will show you how to enable dark mode on Instagram for your Android device. Dark mode is a feature that changes the background to black. This can make it easier on your eyes, especially in low-light conditions. It can also help save battery life on some devices. To get started, open up the Instagram app and then tap on the profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on these three lines at the top right corner. Once you are on this page, tap on the search bar at the top and type in dark mode. Select it from the search results. To enable dark mode on Instagram, simply select On. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.